So we can lift here or press as much as we need to for that thickness of metal. We can go forward, reverse. We can hold on forward and continue with forward, hold on reverse and continue with reverse, and also change the increment size of each of this reverse and forward steps. So now I'm going to lift this up, and Tim is going to put in that piece of wood here that we have just to demonstrate how this would work. So now we're just adjusting the height to make sure that wood is stable in there, so we can go forward or we can go reverse. And this is essentially how we can set in our metal sheet for automation mode. And now going into automation mode, this is where we mimic a practical application at Prestige Stamping. So you input the number of parts that you have that you want to stamp out, part length, the length of each part that you want to stamp, and then we can also change the feeding speed here, how quickly and how slow this will process. So if I click here start, this is enabling the process, so moving that piece of metal into that stamper, and I'm going to lift it and Tim can take that out reverse. And now for it to start it one more time, show you this emergency stop. This is going. If I press this emergency stop, you see this emergency pops in right here. The power is cut in the circuitry. The only power that's on is this buck regulator that's converting 24 volts to 3 volts going into the Raspberry Pi to stop our jobs, our software jobs as well. And if I were to disable this, my power is going back into the circuitry, and I can start this up again if I want to. And I can also stop it from here if I'd like. It's working, and then press my button to cut off all power, and my emergency is back on.